Hi, this is Vickie with Brick After Brick Toys. So excited that you are here for another Lego Rain contest. If you have not been part of our Lego Rain giveaway contest, you are missing out. Because it's like free Legos. And I mean free Legos, just for playing along. So these are the 3 sets that we will let you choose from if you win the Lego Rain contest. And they're all pretty current sets. So whether you're a Star Wars fan, or you like Batman, or if you're a Harry Potter fan or Fantastic Beasts fan, there are 3 awesome sets for you to choose from. So how do you play Lego Rain? Here it is. Well, number 1, of course you have to be a subscriber to our channel. And if you're familiar with our channel, you know that all of our reviews start with Lego Rain! Because Lego Rain is the start of fun. So, number 2 is you have to like this video and do a full watch all the way to the end. Because number 3 is there's a clue at the very end of this video. And number 4 is make a comment below containing the numbers 1 through 7. And they have to list the Lego sets that the Lego Rain came from. So, have you got that? You make 1 comment and you have to list the sets that the Lego Rain came from. And I'll give you a hint. All of the reviews are on my channel, so you can find the Lego Rain that the set goes to. Okay, get started. Woohoo! Lego Rain number 1. And here comes Lego Rain number 2. Oh, that was a long one. Okay, watch for it. Here comes Lego Rain number 3. And Lego Rain number 4. Okay, this is a really long Lego Rain. Lego Rain number 5. And here it comes, Lego Rain number 6. This should be one of the easiest ones. And here it is, Lego Rain number 7. Lego Rain! This isn't the end. Watch all the way to the end because there's another clue. Okay, we had so much fun building all these Lego sets and reviewing them all, but now it's your turn to build and review a new set of your own. So, take a chance, make a comment, make sure you subscribe, and of course if you do win, we'll have to send it to you, so we'll have to have your mailing address and things like that. But here comes the very last hint, so I hope you're watching. This is the final secret message. You need to put number 8, full watch, at the end of your comment. So you're going to do number 1, number 2, number 3, etc. through the 7 different Lego Rain sets, and then the very last thing should be number 8, full watch, just to show that you actually watched the video. Just a note for anyone playing outside the US, we will have to do a gift card instead of sending you the actual set. Alright, I hope you're having fun, and this is just to end your summer with a bang. So have fun building your Lego world.